If you're looking for a spacious penthouse in a boutique block of only 18 apartments and spectacular north-facing views of the city and the river, then keep watching. I'm about to take you on an awesome tour. So for those penthouse buyers out there, which are generally speaking downsizers that are looking for something bigger, they're selling their home and they want to move into something that's a little bit more lock and leave, takes care of itself, they can maybe do a bit of traveling or whatever, and they still want the spaciousness, they don't want to feel cramped in, then I'm going to take you on a tour that I think you're really going to enjoy right now through a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom penthouse apartment, which has 2 car bays. It's on the market for 2.3 million and it has just spectacular views. First of all, it's facing north, so you're getting all the winter sun. So you get to use your balcony all year round, and particularly in the winter when it's cooler, it'll just be a little sun trap out there. It'll be fantastic. So that's one amazing aspect, but the other thing is you get to see views of the city and the river coming down from the city as it winds its way down towards the Canning Bridge as well. So Como's a real up and coming area. It's like I mentioned in the intro, it's just a boutique apartment block. It's only 18, so unusual to have large apartments like that, such a large apartment, 187 square meters internally in a boutique style development. Normally they're in much larger blocks with a lot more apartments in them. So this is a really fantastic offering. If you're looking for that downsizer option, but you don't want to, constrict yourself and feel like you're living in a box, then check this out. I think you're gonna like it.